In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on Janitor AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right chat, target the specific message you want gone, and confirm the deletion with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Janitor AI. Look for the official Janitor AI website in the results and click through to open it. Once you're on the site, make sure you're signed into the correct account so you're accessing the chats you actually want to manage. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu with key account options. From there, choose My Chats. This is your central hub where all your conversations are organized, making it easy to find what you need. On the My Chats page, you'll see a list of characters you've interacted with. Select the character associated with the conversation that contains the message you want to remove. After choosing the character, click on the conversation itself to open the full chat history. Give the page a second to load if the thread is long. Now, scroll through the conversation to locate the exact message you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check you've got the right one, especially if there are similar messages or timestamps close together. Precision here prevents accidentally removing the wrong part of your conversation. When you've found the message, look for a delete or trash bin icon associated with that message. Depending on your screen size or theme, the icon might appear when you hover your mouse over the message or tap it to reveal additional actions. Click the delete or trash bin icon to start the removal process. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intended to delete that message. This is your chance to review your choice one last time. If everything looks correct, click Delete to confirm. The message will be removed from the conversation. Keep in mind that deletions are typically permanent, so once you confirm, you likely won't be able to recover that message. If the message doesn't disappear immediately, try briefly refreshing the page and check again. You can repeat this process for any other messages you want to tidy up. That's it. You've successfully deleted a message on Janitor AI. Thanks for watching, and keep your chats organized and clutter-free.